So, beans. I want to shout to cook beans now. This time you want to cook. See, these beans are already boiled. You don't done. Check out. See, very soft. These are blended pepper, onions with crayfish. And here. So this one, tomato paste and onion. So this, so now fry. See, these are to fry them. So now.
Hey, ask your grandfather.
If I teach you something, not the laugh.
Sorry.
What are they put so?
Tomato paste now.
This one now you go put water. Need to shake and things don't cost.
How many days are there we want shake? I better shake up.
So this one we'll fry this one. This tomato paste we'll let them fry. Then before we put the blended pepper and crayfish and onion we'll blend.
Alright.
Don't fry. And we put the blended pepper and crayfish on the bread. The authentic beans. Anybody we want to break up with the girlfriend, they carry the girl come and cook beans for her. While I get taste that beans, I get a break up.
Oh yeah.
Instant.
Because of this. Because of this. So beans they keep relationship.
You go scatter around. The girl want me the girl break up. You want break up with the girl, not like the girl. Then you don't carry and come. When they come greet me, I cook beans for the girl.
Okay, yeah, there for that.
Once the girl taste the beans, that girl will break up.
Are you serious?
Yeah, straight. If he tells the beans, you go break up with the boy, follow me.
So are you serious?
Then if you can't follow me, you can't break up with the girl.
You're going to like that?
Yes. Yes, brother.
So you're a home breaker. Your beans they break home.
What we do for brothers.
Your beans they break relationship. Not good.
I forget we don't
That
good.
is no good.
I get we no good. Okay, so that there now. So we need salt now. Put salt. What I want to put so?
Maggi.
Maggi abi seasoning cube.
Seasoning cube.
No man to cook, you not see notice.
Okay, I want to tell for you.
So thank God, I will reduce this to low heat. That's going to be the thing. The main ingredient, your burger.
No problem.
Now you stir before you put water. Mix everything together before you put water. Okay. Now this one, we'll close down. Let's cook. So this is almost ready.
Oh, it's ready. Beans of life. This is beans. Beans.
Oh, you want to break up with your boyfriend, you want to break up with your girlfriend, bring them, let me cook beans for them. Once they taste beans, we'll break up.
You get wish.